Hey, what's going on? It's Matt Plapp, and welcome to the Agency Accelerator landing page. I want to walk you through what this program is about, but more importantly, where it came from. You see, for the last 20 years, I've been involved in marketing since 1999. The last 11 years, I've owned an agency, and the one thing I've not had an issue with, finding clients. You know why? Because I've consistently done my RGAs. We'll get to that in a second. What we're going to teach you in this program is what you told me you wanted to be taught. How to find clients. You see, over the last 18 months, I've done thousands of surveys, right around 2,000, I guess, of agency owners through Facebook Messenger. And outside of telling me how long you've been in the business, how much revenue you've made, you've also told me you need help finding clients, not closing deals, finding clients. So what I've put together is my Agency Accelerator. This started in 2018 as part of my ROI Engine program. It was a way to teach those agencies how to find clients. Then I realized there was people that needed help outside of that, so we launched it as a standalone, and here it is today. It's an amazing program. I'm going to walk you through it, but first I want to tell you why it's about to get more exciting. At May 1st, Doug Smith comes on board as my director of sales. Now, this might be after then, so he's already on board, but if it's before, hang on, because Doug is a 27-year vet in the marketing business. But the last 5 to 10 years, he's been selling corporate B2B marketing at a high level. He's now coming into the trenches and doing exactly what you're doing. And he's going to be doing exactly what I've been teaching all of you, getting his RGAs, revenue generating activities. I'm going to walk you through the agency site, and what's part of this program, but what's part of the entire bundle is my RGA planner, my restaurant marketing book, which get over the part that it's restaurant if you're not working with restaurants, because it's teaching you tactics in there you can use for anything. And then on top of that, you'll have access to this agency site, the Agency Accelerator. It's a membership site that'll be updated every week. There'll be weekly webinars, weekly question and answer, and support to help you find clients, because that's what you need. So let's go ahead and dig right into the Agency Accelerator site. So there are 5 topics online and 3 topics offline that we're going to cover in this program. In the program, there are 8 topics we're going to cover in depth. And Doug is going to be doing these every week, just like you. And let's talk about what those are. Right in front of you here, you've got 5 topics. Well, the RGAs are within them. The RGAs in the manual are phone calls, emails and messages, video content, LinkedIn outreach, and Facebook outreach. The 3 in person are business stop-bys, one-to-ones, and networking events. So what we've accomplished here in this program is going through and teaching you how to do each of these. So for example, under the Facebook and LinkedIn outreach, there are modules that show you exactly how to use these programs. And there's going to be advanced tactics as well. Underneath prospecting, we're going to go through and talk about how you can find people in different places, whether it's networking events, whether it's stop-bys, whether it's one-to-ones with referral partners. All of this stuff is what you need to be doing. If you're not on a daily basis judging how many phone calls you make, warm, cold, or hot, emails and messages you send, how much video content you create a day. Yes, tell your story. People want to know who you are, why you're doing it, and what they can help you accomplish. That's what we're going to teach you. LinkedIn outreach, Facebook outreach. Yes, Facebook outreach, reaching out to the friends who already know, like, and trust you to find out how they can help you. As I'm recording this call, I have a meeting tomorrow on a Monday with a restaurant owner that was a referral from a Facebook friend through a Facebook Messenger outreach, business stop-bys, one-to-ones with referral partners, and networking events. So Doug Smith is going to be walking you through exactly how he's doing this, his wins, his losses, what's worked as far as emails, what's not worked, what's gotten him phone calls, what's gotten him appointments, what's helped him get in front of the right people, and more importantly, what's helped him land clients. That's what you need. So go ahead, hop in the program. It's got a one-time upfront fee and then a monthly fee. You can drop out at any time or stay with us forever. You're going to love it. This is going to help you get to the next level. This is what you need to get clients for your agency. I'll see you around.